So hey friends, welcome back, and in this video we will learn about why we need to bid on our brand search term. So what is brand search term? So basically, like, let's say this is my logo, Adam Webs here. So this Adam Webs is my brand name. So same like GoDaddy and Amazon and Flipkart. So these are brand search term. So why you need to bid on your brand name when you are running any advertising campaign? So you will be learning why you need to do that and why it is so important for your business to bid on your brand search term. So hey friends, my name is Viren Negi, and if you're looking for any help, do check out my website adamwebs.com. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit that red button icon, and also when you select that, do select all notification, so whenever I upload a new video you will get notified. So the number one thing, so whenever you are running a campaign, you can put your brand messaging the way you want. Okay, so what do you mean by that? So let me show you a real example for that. So if I go on Google and search for GoDaddy, there you can see. So if GoDaddy is not doing this kind of ad here, so this is what you're gonna see actually. So this is not kind of appealing. So GoDaddy set custom brand messaging here. So this is what you can do. You can set a custom brand messaging the way you want, because on Google SEO it's by default, and Google pick automatically the pages based on the algorithm. But here, the exact message you want to convey to your customers, you can do that here. So this is very important when you are running any kind of campaign, or maybe you have some brand searches, then you need to run a brand search campaign. Now the second most important point is you can drive user to high converting landing pages. Again, let's go by the GoDaddy example here. So if someone is searching for GoDaddy, can you see that if I click here, on the bottom you see here there are URLs. So I don't want to click on that ad because unnecessary it wastes GoDaddy money, because I am not looking for any purchase here. So avoid clicking on that. So if I click here, they are sending me the particular landing page. Same way, if you see here, changes the ID, but it may send me a particular landing pages. So GoDaddy is showing me the main 4-5 services they are willing to sell. So they are directly sending to me a different landing pages where I can make a purchase directly. So I don't have to go like search here and then buy. Basically, they are directly showing me the offer they are promoting, so that I can buy directly from them. And since brand search is very cheap, so they get conversion at very low price. So this is why you can also send user to a custom landing pages, and you may get more conversion. Now the third point is, if competitors are bidding on your brand search term, then you should bid on your brand search term, because they are stealing your customer. So if they are bidding on your brand search term, it means they are stealing your customer. And if you are not doing brand search term, then you should, because let me again show you my example here. Let me search any email service provider. So they do most of the time email service provider bid, email marketing provider bid on different brand search term. I see that actually. Is there any brand I find? So let's do a MailChimp. MailChimp here. Can you see that? These guys are bidding on a MailChimp brand search term because they are cheap, they are competitors, and they get customer out of this, because a MailChimp brand search term is going to be very cheap compared to email marketing. So these guys are basically getting more customer from bidding on MailChimp brand term, and you can do that. So you get a lot of sales from your competitor's brand at cheap, and so you can try that if you're getting that sales or not. So you must bid on your brand search term. Now the fourth point is very important, and if you are not ranking on your brand search term, so let's say your brand name is XYZ, and then someone is searching for XYZ and you are not showing on Google on top. Okay, you are not ranking organically on top basically, then you need to bid on your brand search term. So this is the one best example I see. So right now they are ranking, and because this is the WPX, so they are not earlier ranking on WPX. So I see that back and I mean 4-5 months ago they are not ranking for this keyword here. So what they are doing is they are bidding on this brand search term because customers are searching for this. With these company like this, they are ranking on this brand search term. There are many other companies they are ranking on WPX. Now they are started bidding on WPX hosting, and gradually they increase their ranking. Now they are ranking on this. Earlier they are not ranking on this WPX keyword, so they are bidding on this brand search term. So you can do that also, because customers are searching for you, and you can drive those customers to your store and get more sales. If you are not showing on your brand search term, then potentially you are losing a lot of customers actually. So this way you can capture those customers if you are new to business and you are not ranking on your brand search term. This is way you can drive those customers to your landing page. Now the fifth point is capture more sales. So how you can capture more sales? By bidding on your brand search term. So let me show you again. Now let's take this example here. It's a WPX hosting. I use this hosting. So if you want to check out, I'll have a description in the link. They are very good actually. So I'm using in past more than I guess 2 years. So I'm very happy with that. If you want, you can check out the link below in description. So so basically they are showing some features, and when you click on that, you directly go to their cart page. So this way they can drive more sales. Let me search again the GoDaddy here. So why you get more sales? Because you are directly showing main offers here. Okay, and when someone click on here, you directly go to the particular landing page. Those are high converting and you get more sales. Again, I'll show you one more example. Maybe we can do SendGrid. I mean, these guys are bidding on all the competitors' brands. Sendinblue. I mean, they are getting basically result out of this. That's why they are bidding on competitors' brand. So, I mean, this is a great strategy to generate more revenue, because brand search terms are very cheap actually. Their click cost is going to be very cheap than if they bid on email marketing. So this is the best example here. GoDaddy again. Let me go back. So these are sending them to a different landing pages which are very high converting. So you get more sales. So when you send user to with offers to a high converting landing pages, you get more sales. Now the sixth point is, again, it's a very important point. You get more detail about your brand search keyword. So what do you mean by that? So let's go to Google again. So let's search GoDaddy again here. So what GoDaddy is doing, they are sending them to different landing pages. Okay, so why they are showing only these pages? Because of this, they have these services to sell, and these are the services that are getting more traffic from the Google basically. So if someone is searching for GoDaddy, they kind of searching like GoDaddy domain search, GoDaddy website, GoDaddy hosting. So this way you can get the idea what kind of pages especially people are searching for. Or sometimes what happens is you see a new keyword with your brand search term like GoDaddy SSL services. So then they need to create a page for that. Okay, maybe GoDaddy malware removal services. If these kind of search there you are getting a lot of time, then you can create a separate page and bid show a site link like that here, so that you get more sales. So you get idea about of more pages that you might want to create, or maybe you want to prepare in a better way that people are searching for. So friend, this is it in this video. So if you are running any kind of campaign and you have brand search queries, then do bid on your brand search term. It will going to help you get more conversion, and also you can send them to a different landing pages, so that again it's about getting more conversion always. So this is my channel URL. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. If you're looking for any help, do check out my website addonwebs.com. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.